Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to lesson 4.4 of math. Today we're going to learn about divide tens, hundreds, and thousands. Let's begin. Dustin is packing apples in gift boxes. Each gift box holds 4 apples. How many boxes can Dustin pack with 120 apples? First of all, this is the word problem. So I am going to make sure I write cubes to remind me how to solve my problems. The first step is circling all of the numbers. I see 4 apples and 120 apples. Then I will go on and underline my question. How many boxes can Dustin pack with 120 apples? Then I will box in the important information. I know that I will need to find how many boxes, and I'm going to start evaluating my problem. I know by reading the question that this is my division problem, so I will go on and write 120 divide by 4. Boys and girls, when we are working with division, and especially the larger numbers, first thing that I want you to do is to identify the basic facts. In this problem, 120 divided by 4, I know that my 12 and 4 are my basic facts. Then I'm going to use my place value to understand. I know that from 120, my 12 is the basic facts. When I do 12 times 10, this gives me 120. This simply means that I have 12 tens. So when I do 12 tens divided by 4, it is going to give me 3 tens. Another way of writing it, 30. Therefore, 120 divided by 4 will give me 30. Let's take a look at an example. How about we try 240 divide by 6? Boys and girls, when you see a problem like this, we're going to underline the basic facts. And let's rewrite 24 divided by 6. I'm just going to ignore that 0 for now. And I know 24 divided by 6 is going to give me 4. Because I know that it is 6 times 4, that is 24. Now what I will do is I'm going to remember to bring down that 0 I ignored in the beginning. My answer will be 40. Same thing, boys and girls, when I see problem 5,400 divided by 9. The first thing I want you to do is underline the basic facts. Ignore that 0 for now. Just circle it, ignore it. Rewrite. So it becomes 54 divided by 9. I know that 9 times 6 is 54. So my answer will be 6. Don't forget to carry over that 0. Therefore, 5,400 divided by 9 will give me 600. Let's take another example. I have 1,200 divided by 4. I'm going to rewrite my problem so I can better work on it. And I'm going to identify my basic facts, which is 12 and 4. I'm going to circle my 0 because I'm going to ignore it for now. And I'm going to rewrite. It becomes 12 divided by 4. I know that 4 times 3 gives me 12. So the answer will be 3. But boys and girls, don't forget, we have that 2 zeros that we ignored in the beginning. So my answer will be 300. Now let's take a look at a word problem. Whenever I see a word problem, boys and girls, I am going to write the strategy called cubes. It says Jamel put 600 pennies into 6 equal rows. Okay, first of all, if you see the word equal, that is a very big hint, boys and girls. That means division. How many pennies were in each roll? So let's go on and use the strategy, cubes. First of all, I'm going to circle all of my numbers. I'm going to underline my question. It is, how many pennies were in each roll? I'm going to box in the important information. I know that each, equal, those are important information because this is telling me that this is a division problem. So I am going to take 606 and put it into a division problem. I'm going to do 600 divide by 6. Remember what I said, boys and girls, when we are working with like the zeros, I'm going to ignore my zeros for now, underline my basic facts. So this becomes 6 divide by 6, which is same thing as 6 times 1. I know that the answer is going to be 1, but don't forget we ignore that 2 zeros in the beginning. We need to carry it down. So my answer will be 100. Now it is your turn, boys and girls. I want you to go to your Go Math workbook and do page 220. Just the odd numbers. 1, 3, and 5. Then you have Google Form in your Google Classwork. Google Classroom under Classwork. Once you have done the 3 problems, go on and fill in the Google Form. If you have any questions, you know where to reach us. Good luck and have fun.